Troubleshooting AwardWallet balance updates can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. AwardWallet is a travel loyalty program tracking tool that helps users manage their rewards balances. To start troubleshooting, first, ensure you have the latest version of the AwardWallet app or are using the latest browser version on the website. Next, check if the issue is specific to one loyalty program or if it is affecting all programs. If the issue is specific to one program, try updating the balance for that program manually. To do this, go to the AwardWallet dashboard, find the program with the issue, and click the Update button next to it. If the issue persists, try relinking the account by removing and re-adding the loyalty program credentials. If the issue is affecting all programs, try logging out and logging back into your AwardWallet account. This can often resolve connectivity issues and refresh the account links. Also, ensure that your account credentials for each loyalty program are up to date, as expired or changed credentials can prevent AwardWallet from updating balances. Another common issue is cookies and cache interfering with the update process. Clearing your browser's cookies and cache can resolve this issue. For mobile app users, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to ensure you have the latest version and to clear any cached data. Additionally, check the AwardWallet status page for any known issues or maintenance that may be affecting balance updates. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact AwardWallet support for further assistance. They can help identify the root cause and provide a solution to get your balances updating correctly again. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve issues with AwardWallet balance updates, ensuring you have accurate and up-to-date information on your loyalty program balances.